Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, team. Today is a very good day. We're gonna do like a little vlog of how I'm gonna spend my day today. It's a big day for my little brother. He's going to get his new baby today, his new car, guys. So I'm gonna take you through it, like where we're going to go. Then I'll show you also the new baby who's excited with me. So guys, if you're new to my channel, thank you for coming, and please do subscribe. And if you're a second timer, third timer, or old timer, I love you guys. Mwah. Stay tuned, and please do subscribe and like, share, and comment as well. I think I'm actually more excited than he is, eh? Like, he's taking his time to go get his new baby, So what's been going on? Like, what did you do? Halloween is coming, guys. I was thinking maybe I could do like a little Halloween type of makeup. I've never done it. I'm not really like, I don't celebrate Halloween at all. But I was just thinking for the fun of it to do like a face for Halloween. And it's gonna be a challenge because I've never done it before. So I'm not sure, but I might do it. I'ma do it. Guys, I'm kneeling. There's someone who's got a message for you. Come tell them.
Subscribe.
Yay! How cute is he? Do you know where we're going? Come. Do you know where we're going?
Yeah, go in. Yeah.
Where are we going?
Yep.
Huh? No, we're going somewhere. It's a surprise. No, I don't. It's a surprise. He doesn't know, guys. So I'm also gonna get his reaction. The baby we're gonna get is like his favorite all-timer baby. So he's gonna be surprised as well. That's the wife, and that's the. Why are you hiding away, guys? They're going to get their new baby, guys. I'm so excited. I'm more excited with them than they are. Anyway, here we go. Stay tuned, guys. I'll be taking you through everything. Yeah, we're leaving the other cars. Can you see? We're leaving them at home because we're going to get a new one. So we're walking to the gate. We ordered an Uber because we all wanted to come in the same car. Nobody was willing to come back driving the old car. So how does it feel walking?
Feels good.
Are you excited?
It's the best walk ever.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, I can see you've got your swag on. You got your swag on.
Of course.
Alright, guys. So yeah, we're going to the gate. We've ordered an Uber, and I'll probably take a few shots in the Uber as well. Then when I get there, I'll take the baby. Christian Dion. We're still walking. It's a long walk to freedom, guys. So yeah, dude, I'm actually getting tired, eh? Okay, guys, I'm running. Guess what? He forgot his license. How is he gonna get it without the license? So I'm just running back home now to get it. Walking to the gate. Walking to the gate. I'm sure you can tell by the way things are moving fast that I'm walking 20k per minute. Daisy. So we're outside. We're waiting for our Uber. Oh, it's this one. There we are. Oh, Musk. We're in the Uber now. Did you get my phone?
No, I'm good. Alright, then.
We're going now.
Oh, this side.
The masks are on.
Why?
So.
Why?
Yay! Which one do you think they deport? Going in, guys. Going in. No mask. You can get in.
Okay, I'm coming.
You want which one? Okay, guys, he wants this one. Is that the one that you want? We're just waiting to be saved, guys. Go to the reception. So we're in, guys. We're just waiting to be safe. I hope they won't say no, what do you call this? No recording. This is actually pretty nice, eh? We're just having a look whilst we wait for the guy to come and show us where the new baby is. Damn, guys. In my next life. In this life. I receive it, girl. Oh my god. We're so excited they should come already. Like the way I'm so excited right now. Ooh, look at this fancy sits, guys. Like seriously, when you sit at this sit, you know that you've made it. Do you like that one? And please get this one. It's just easy like that. How do you feel, Logan? How do you feel? Do you feel excited? No? You said yeah. Do the little excited dance. Do the little dance. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Oh, look at these wheels. Look at those guys. Like, seriously. They even written AMG. Oh my god. This place is crazy, guys. Ooh. Look at this one. Look at this baby. They're not playing games here. They're not playing games. Guys, I'm so sorry if you can't hear me. I'm still wearing my mask. Apparently, no mask, no entry. So, this is the new 2020. We gotta do what we gotta do. I love this wall, eh? Yeah. It's actually a fancy office, eh, guys? Like, where am I gonna steal this money? I need one of these. Where are we gonna steal this money from, eh? We need us more of these babies. Logan, is this ours? No, we just wait to see which one did you got. Ooh, he's taking long. Does he know that we've got too much excitement? Okay, guys, they said we should sit again. So they know that we. Oh, they've even got a boutique. Is it closed? I'm gonna get inside. Is it closed? They've got these fancy items in there. Why are we sitting? We don't want to sit. Why are we sitting, apparently? Good afternoon, sir. Oh, it's actually still morning. Good morning, sir. Why are you just laughing, bro? How does it feel? You're actually in the offices to collect your baby. How does it feel? It's good to work here?
It's different.
It's different. Remember, there are only two vehicles in the road. What? Mercedes-Benz and the others. So you're now in the statistics, bro. Guys, we're going. This is the walk to him getting his new baby, guys. We're so excited. Don't be nervous. You know it's good. Are we going up the stairs? Oh, look at this officers. Look at this, guys. Let's go. Walk faster. Walk faster. Go follow the run. Oh, okay. The office again. For those golf lovers, the Mercedes-Benz golf balls, apparently. The office again, guys. Oh, why are they doing this to us? Now we gotta sit. Do you think it's the one that's covered there? Oh! So guys, we're actually inside, guys. This is too much. It's surreal. Like, it's so exciting, I tell you. Now he's just doing the paperwork, then they'll show us the baby. I'm suspecting it's that one that's covered. And yeah. Welcome to the good life.
Uncle Jordan.
You're wearing who? What shoe is that one?
What is the name of the shoe? Uncle Jordan.
Uncle Jordan. He's so respectful, guys. Michael Jordan is Uncle Jordan. Oh, okay. He's your uncle? Oh, okay. He's actually signing, guys. He's doing the signing.
Our baby.
He's coming with the keys, guys. He's coming with the keys. He's coming with the keys. Yo, there we go. Look at this. Look at this. Congratulations. Yeah. Oh my God. I'm so proud of you. Oh my God.
This is the one.
This is awesome. Congratulations. How do you feel?
Oh my god, guys, this is surreal. This is surreal, guys. Alright, the moment you've all been waiting for.
The moment. Ah, come on, guys.
Yes, open, my brother.
Open. Oh my God. I feel like crying. Oh my God. Whoa. Oh my God. That's him. Oh my God. Open, please. Open. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. It's crazy, guys. Guys. Ooh. Oh my God. Ooh. Ooh. Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure. She doesn't believe it. He didn't sleep, eh?
Sure.
No, he didn't.
He told me he was nervous. I never thought that bad.
No, he didn't sleep. It's been his dream car for like a long
telling
time. Yes, he didn't sleep.
Dreams
And
do come true, eh?
Yeah, and he was like, you know what?
They're just showing him things, right? They're just showing him what I can do and stuff. Nothing's really in me, like I'm not getting nuts. I'm not leaving it this time.
The hips don't lie on this.
Mm-hmm.
The hips don't lie on this. Obviously, those cameras are there. The sun and this. So there's one here. So when I come, can I come collect it next? No.
Look at him. Look at him. He did it, yo. He did the deeds. Doing the deeds. That's him driving off, guys, in his AMG. Okay, now he can drive. I swear we're not going home. Like, this vlog, I feel like it's gonna take forever because there's no way we're gonna go home now. I feel like a long drive now. Like somewhere where there are like mountains and we gotta fill it up, man. Like, fill it up with gas and go somewhere. There we go, guys. It's out, guys. That's all right. Thank you, Mercedes-Benz. You've been the best.